Hello everyone, welcome to our another mini PC class video. So today we are going to show you how to install our mini PC on the back of this monitor. So let's start our brand new class. Okay, so in the demonstration part we need a monitor like this, with this mounting system, and also you need this plate and also the screws. So let's take it down our monitor and fix this plate with these screws. Once screw is done, another is done. So now we will So here we will get these two plates. You need to fix these two screws in this place. It's easy. As you can see, I already fixed these two screws here, and now you can easily hang in the mini PC. For saving our time, I already add our mouse, keyboard, and the HDMI cable and also the power cable. So let's turn on our mini PC. Here is our main button. You need to press once. Here you will get the red light, and if you come in the front of this monitor, you will get the PC is turned on.